Hello, traders. Welcome. How are you? How are you? How are you? How are you? I'm Additional here, Visual Silence Technology. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Today is Monday, 5/19, 2025, 9:30, right at New York Open. Got a late start, but that's okay. I'm going to go ahead and show my disclaimer. This is educational purposes only. We're going to do some live Bitcoin scalping. Um, I'm going to be on my Top Step account. So that's what we're going to be doing right at the open. We got some things here. See which account what it is. Okay. So let's get right into it. Not much I can say right now because, for my purposes, was not able to get my mic going. So using my Brio microphone, we'll see how that works out. Okay, so let's go ahead and get right to the good stuff. Okay, there we are. All right, let's see what we got going on here. I have this also on another screen, the higher time frames. This here on the left here is your 1 minute traders, then in the center is the 2 minute. And then our 5 minute. Just a second. Hi. Okay. I will. We're right at the bottom. This might be a fake out. Let's wait. I'm going to wait on this. So it's coming up with strong EMA. All right, so let's see. Also, traders, I'm going to be doing my best to get on here live weekly. Looking for people to join my scalping team. It's a huge opportunity for both me and you. Looking for about 5 scalpers, teammates. So if you're interested and want to know more what that's about, go to my website, www.anadeshields.com. Again, www.anadeshields.com. Should have a little thing up there. And scroll down the page, and there's a thing that says try out. And so just click that button. It doesn't cost anything. What will happen is I'll get notified, and then I will reach out to you, or my team will reach out to you and set up a Zoom call, and then we can talk about what that looks like and find out your interest, if we're a good fit, um, any other questions you might have. So super excited about this opportunity. Kind of just going off the cuff on it, how to promote it, but I've been talking about this for a year now. And so had a few people that were able to join, but then other opportunities had come up. And so they had to go and take care of those responsibilities. So currently open. All right, so what we're going to do here is it's always good for, I like to have what you're going to be doing. I'm looking for this entry, looking for her to pull back.
Order filled.
And a smaller size. Put it right underneath here. Right in at the 800. Maybe the 200. Two in the center. At 800 right there. At 200. I needed to add on that. Break even. All right, what I'm doing is looking at my estimations on where this should run. On the 5 or right at the high. That, that red. I might get you down. Maybe bring us down. Actually, want it lower than that. Let's see if she can push it. We're at the high on the 5. $103,600. Yep, that's where we want to go. So 400 more points. I got 2 accounts with a buy and sell going on both of them. I wanted to get into a NAS, well, near open trade, but I didn't get to do that because the microphone issues before we got started. I wanted to wear my headset. Okay, we got a buy, exit was buy on the 5. Well, that's right. We need about 5 minutes doing. This 2 minutes is gonna break above. Oh, we're on the 800 on the 15-minute on TradingView. I'm under the 800 on Top Step, but I'm right on it on TradingView. I work for TradingView. And I'm on my 200 on the 1 hour on TradingView. Got the 1 hour beneath me on this platform. Okay. We need a nice break and close above on this 5 without a pullback. If we get the pullback, that's okay. It actually gives us a nicer entry. 300-point pullback on the 5-minute. So we'll get kicked out. That was perfect. We'll get kicked out and we'll get. It looks like she is going to make this run up here. And when she gets up to here, I'm so right here was, I should have added on this bar right here. Okay, traders, this was my ad right here to the play. So push. One time I had waited for it to get right there, and the freaking thing tried to run on me. No, Bitcoin normally does not do that. So Nas does stuff like that, but Bitcoin's pretty good. She'll keep moving. Move it along, girl. Move it along. Shit, strut your stuff. Oh, shoot. All right, we're doing good. Good, 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 good. And my TP is getting ready to hit. Boom. TP hit, baby. I wish I was another thing because I'll bring it right up here, traders, but I think she gets any higher. I really don't think she will. I mean, what do I know? Actually, I do know a lot. I shouldn't say that.
Order filled.
Okay, there she is. All right. Well, that's fine. All right. Trade ran where we wanted her to go. Boom.
Order filled. Order filled.
And that's what I wanted to go right there. Nice trade, go girl. All right. We'll have to watch. Oh man, I forgot to record. We'll have to watch this on the replay to find out why I didn't go in and watch your slide at the beginning. I think there was something going on in the beginning that gave me pause. So I want to know what that is. I know we didn't get in right when I was supposed to get in. Here. Should put it down here. But the reason why I want to know that is I want to see how far she's running. So she almost gone her normal run at New York Open. Oh, and we also have news at 10. We also have news at 10. Jesus, hurry, money. So I'm pretty happy about that starting session. That was like a 700-point move that we caught. And we got a pullback too. No girl. So that was like a 300. 200-point pullback. Still a bit. Now she can go ahead and keep pushing, and you could keep going, but the momentum, the move is done with a scalp. Now, if we do the intraday play, I have been going to I don't have one long-term trade by trade. I don't have a TP set because I want her to go back up to 106. Let's see, but she'll go up there today. So there, she's retesting that high. Oh, you know what? I do. I just marked up this morning. All right, let me see. Here. Here. Okay, so buy. Oh, the 4 hours, nice. 1 hour. Okay, so buy up to 104,952. 104,952 is the 1 hour. Is the 1 hour high low fib. So that's the intraday play. Let's see what this 5 minute is looking like. Don't forget we have news at 10. All right, so that was 9:30. We were under the short-term trend. So that was cautious. She didn't consolidate at all. A lot of times these past few weeks, New York Open, a majority of the sessions during the days were in consolidation and you're getting chopped up. Today, that did not happen, basically. Now we're approaching very large MAs, but the TP, I'm going to think about the TP is the short-term TP is 104,952, 104, 104,952, 104,952 minus 103,665. You know what? That's on my other program. trading views numbers. Look at that sell. That sell last night was so beautiful. I'm glad I got out of that trade. I grabbed the buy up and then closed it out. I don't think she's going to keep pushing. I'm glad I did. So, yeah, 104,750. 104,750 is on this broker. 900 more points with a lot of AMAs and structure in the way. So right here, traders, was the coming down here. You could re-enter here, stop loss right underneath here, or you could wait for it to break the high and then get in and take it and see where she would go. 200 points. She does have about 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. She does have 500 more points in front of her. She can run. So if you wanted to get back in, I'm going to go ahead and go into my, okay, I'm in my demo now. So, what about that? I hit the goal one. So that's no, it's pretty much maxed out. Yeah, this thing's pretty much maxed out. We're gonna run that ball.
Order filled.
Take that cell, see if it commits. We come back in here to this checkered mark. Whatever that in at one. Oh, we got that news. Hey, say it, forgot.
Order filled.
I'll see her what. But she went right where I wanted her to go.
Order filled.
Try everything. Do it. There's 2 minutes. Just gonna break it up. And we got all these EMAs. So we got EMAs in our way, we got support resistance in our way. See what she does with it here. This now is news. Go ahead, break even. Break even. Oh shoot, you know what? Oh, I'm also looking if anyone is interested in running, like doing, uh, like running, technical camera,
Order filled.
oh shoot. Looking for people to run the back end while I'm on streaming, able to flip between my different, the different functions and stream of it. Love to have you on board. That would be super cool. So if you're interested, go to the website on theshields.com. That website, it's another banner I need to run along. So that would be something you could do. Even as I'm talking about this, you would hear me say it, but oh, she needs that banner up with the logo and contact info. So things like that. I know I love doing that type of stuff, but that'd be super helpful for me. All right, so what do we got here? We got the 5 minute China climb. Let's see how much she climbed. This is a better New York Open. You weren't sitting here waiting. So 900 points she went. So right now we would just be trading the aftermath of New York Open until the next push. 5 minutes. Let's see. It's like 5 minutes truly over what? $15 is by 1 hour. Whatever, 95. So that buy up is nice. Really good entry off of that buy this morning. It was like 1 hour. It was at the last line of defense. So it was really nice to look here for that. Okay, right about in this zone, I would see if there's a continuation. Nice, strong, healthy bar. Oh yeah, she's running. She's gonna run lower. Let's see if she does. Let's go ahead and see See what she does.
Order filled. Order filled.
Pull that up. Entry. This bar right here was your entry. Stop loss right underneath here. Now when you get in, you got a lot of stuckness. So either you just wait till it breaks this high, which I think that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna wait and then get in when I was supposed to. So we'll wait to see if when it breaks this 2 minute. When it breaks this zone, it will give us about 3 more bars. We should get 3 more bars off of that. Be a little bit cleaner. See, that's what we'll do. If we get it. So while we're waiting on that, let's look at contracts. So 25 contracts. We're at 103,650. So these round numbers: 103,655, 103,640. 23 contracts at 103 to sell it. 103.9. 103. Ooh. $25 contracts to sell right now. So everything I take is opposite of what you want to do. Smell that. Oh, you're watching it. Been watching that. Should have been in that. I made that point. Let's see if she's done it.
Order filled.
Not much for it down, but she made it. Mm-hmm. Boy, I'm getting tired. On my other chart, she's got like the big ocean in front of her for her to start selling for a little bit. And nothing's in her way for another 200 points. Actually, she's right at support, my thought. She breaks to the support. And okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to do something different.
Order filled.
I'm going to take that buy.
Order filled.
Because usually I'm waiting to see if it will hit my stop loss, and then I can't, since you can't go back and forth with these people. And it was kind of a trend. I was just trying to see if she pushed down a little bit more. I better of a probability of buying up. That trade I was doing there was my Sally's up play. And she basically almost got where I wanted her to go. We were going to wait until she broke at least 2 minutes and then take the 3 bars that run after it. So let's see if we get that. Let's see if we get that. We're at the support. I'll move it to break even. Move it up a little bit in a profit. Now we should get 3 to 5 bars after it, if she can do it. Regular support. So for those that I'm showing you, traders, those that don't wait till it's safe and you want to go in with the guns blazing while it's a big shootout, or it's knocked out and see their team is winning and they got the ball and now they're running down the field. After this point right here, okay, let's see if we can grab a hold of that.
Order filled.
See if we can get some money. So I'm in at 8 contracts, so I'm gonna lose my profit by 5 in a second. Right at support. No, that's a room to pick me out. They should push a little bit more. Since we got in low. Oh, I forgot what I was gonna say. Can I say, I'm sorry, can you not put that through? 2 to 3 bars after that area. Let's put it on the screen or we can see it better. So we said, let's do that. So now we need 2 more bars. So you should give us 2 more bars. After this.
Order filled.
Okay. So she broke out and did not give us 2 more bars right away, as I had hoped. Now let's see if she comes back down here for the thing. You know what? I'm gonna go ahead and let these traders grab in again, right at where I was selling at. Now I'm gonna come back and back up and let you come back in for the ride. Under 10.5.
Order filled.
Okay, let's see, she's gonna buy it.
Order filled.
Oh shoot. I'm gonna say she comes back to this soon and lets us back in. As soon as she comes, as soon as she'll come back into here and then bounce back up and continue up. Say she'll come back and retest this kind of right here that we were waiting for her to break through. Because I wanted her to do 2 bars, 203 before she pulled back. But she didn't do that. So she just tapped it.
Order filled.
Let's see if that was her. As far as I'm going down. Right there. Sometimes when I trade, I don't know, when I lose, people don't even use CMAs, they don't know what. But then when you do know the power of them, it'll be messing up your flow. Right. So go back to the concept, see if we get two more bars. We'll count this as one, and then if we get another one off of the initial push. Oh, she's gonna give me.
Order filled.
Dang. All right, so now she's being a little silly. So more of a pullback down to the support level. See if what she does right here. I wasn't sure she was actually going to tap it. But I'm in my demo on this one. So this here trader is like after the move, and you're looking to see if you can squeeze, you know, a little bit of steam that she got before a hard pull. So if we get another candle and we come all the way back down into this zone, then waiting for it to break this 2 minute. But the 2 to 3 bars after it did not pay out. Actually, yeah. If this bar and another big one, and this is a big bar, then she's not. Well, this is the support that we're waiting for her to break. So she continues to push down, then forget it. But from here, if she pushes up, then into the pullback before she breaks up. But I don't really I don't trade like that. You know, because I know people, they wait for the retest of that zone. Wait for it to come back down to here. So wait for it to come down to this retest and then take it back up. Okay, because this was the support level. I don't necessarily trade like that. Now, I don't trade like that only because that's not how. So I don't trade that way. The way I trade is off of location and movement right now, and time, 25, what she's done already, the amount of bars. Yeah. I'm looking for her to come back into this zone or down into this zone. See, people would have waited to see if she would retest here. I don't do that. So that was good. So see how waiting on the 2 minute actually saved us to see if she would, or no, I'm sorry, that was right here. She did go, but then she just did one bar and that was it. So that was a good try. That was the cleaning table, and that was a freaking nice sell. Okay, so she's down about the zone I anticipated for her to be at. So if I was in that cell, I would have been super happy and grateful right now with all that yum yum. Yum yum, baby! Okay, so it's a nice deep pullback off of that rebound from running 900 points. Now, I'm doing all that. Now, when you have these ideas, like, I'm gonna wait for it to see the retest here and see if it looks good to go up. And you have all of that going on and your mind is focused on that, then you're not gonna sit here and take this play because you're sitting here doing something. It's really a lot of like A plus B, but B plus C doesn't work, then I'm doing C and D. And that's why being on a team, each one has their own role, can help one person process all these different steps that would run based on the market movement. So this here, she's at a nice bid level. They would run a bid for us, for our team. And she's right down where she should start pulling back up. Dang, that was a nice sell. I watched it. So it's not that you're doing anything wrong, it's just that you had a plan for something else, and then your mind has to be like, well, okay, if that doesn't play out, still take the sell in case, because you were looking to get in for the buy. And some traders are just like, girl, I'm not doing all that. I'm going in one direction and that's it. And for me, I have a hard time doing all that. And the recording is when it got to this zone, why in the world I did not get in since it didn't do what I thought it was going to do. Or even in here, just take it and see if it, take this cell, okay, and then take the cell, see if it bounced here, or what you were thinking of it going back up. So since it didn't, you got in the cell, coming to the zone you would think about getting out. It went even deeper, even better, and now you grabbed all of that. So yes, you could have waited for this play, the retest, for the continuation back up. But also take this one too to see if it's going to do what you want. You're in nice and early. Then if you didn't do that and you were like, well, I'm going to wait to see what it does around this zone on this, stop. And then you could have had that. Oops. We could have had that money there, points there.
Order filled.
Okay, so we got in late.
Order filled.
Oh shoot. Let's run on 1 to count up.
Order filled.
Okay, we're taking it back up to see if she's ready to buy it back up for a little bit. She's at the last line of defense. Right up here, she should start buying. We want to go right up to here. So this, for the person on our team, they would be marking this up for us. So we could quickly see. 2 minutes turquoise. So quickly see what's going on. Now, I don't know if we can get up here this one try. But I am feeling tired. This is support resistance traders. They're taking right to just here, to the support level at 2. They're not trying to get all the way up into here. Boy, I'm tired. We get to this level, we go to 200 points per line. Go. Nice. Okay, there she is to that support level. So those that took that trade, they would be, they hit their TP, and we're looking to go here. It's going to be hairy here. It's going to be hairy. So either you grab your profit now or wait till she gets right to that zone. But you got to remember what it was before all this drama happened. Okay, she's going back to retest this level. Which I'll break through. 100% retracement. So my teammate, those that would be responsible for the team for this calculating, doing a technical analysis, you would be measuring for us right now and saying, okay, she just went 315 points. She's 100% retracement. She should die out, but if she continues to push up, see what she does. You secured your bag.
Order filled.
Okay. That's her rejection. All right, traders, great session. This was a really good session. I hope you're able to learn a couple of things, and I'll see you tomorrow. Good day.